Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today a little short information video about Helium 10. I received the email from the support from Helium 10, one of the best research tools for Amazon KDP in my opinion. I use it on a daily basis and really can recommend this tool to you guys. As I mentioned, I received a very cool email from the support of Helium 10 with a special offer until the 31st of December. As you can see, with the first link in the video description, you can save 30% off 4 months of the Platinum plan or the Diamond plan. I would recommend to you guys the Platinum plan because in this plan there is everything included what you need for a KDP business, and the Diamond plan is only for big companies. So as you can see, on a normal base, you would pay $79 when billed annually, and if you want to bill it monthly, you have to pay $99. But with 40% off, you click on the first option of the Platinum plan, and as you can see, the normal price would be $99 per month, but with 40% off, you have to pay $60 per month, so $40 less. I can highly recommend to you guys to purchase the plan for the next 4 months, and if you don't want to use it anymore, you can just cancel the monthly plan and reactivate it if it's necessary. Very important, if you create an account and set up the payment information, you have to use the code launch 2024. It's very important to receive the 30% off. So as I mentioned, I would highly recommend to you guys to use this option with the 30% off a deal, because this deal will continue until the 31st of December, so the end of the year, and doesn't come back soon. So I highly recommend you guys purchase the plan. Use the first link in the video description. Have fun with Helium 10. If you have any questions to Helium 10, please write a comment down in the comment section down below. And then I wish you a very great day, and we will see you in the next video.